call is now being recorded.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. So today we will continue our lesson on chapter 7 from 2 mathematics. Chapter 7 is about coordinates on the Cartesian plane. Today we go to the distance between 2 points, and we go to set practice 7.1 in the textbook from 2. Okay, today I want to continue to question number 5. Question number 5. So let me read the question first. The diagram shows the points K, L, M, N, P, and Q. On the Cartesian plane. K, L, M, N, P, Q. Okay. So calculate the distance between the points K, M, M, L, P, N, and K, Q. Okay. So let me copy the diagram first. Okay. Paste. Okay, so first we want to find the distance of Km. We want to find distance Km. Okay. K is Km. So there are a few ways to do. You can draw a triangle, or you can use the formula. Either one. So maybe in the first 4 km, I try to draw first. I try to draw. Okay. So if you want to draw, okay, maybe I use which color? I think green color. Okay. So I draw the line. Okay, K to M. K to M, I think until here. Okay, and then again. Okay, so the straight line, maybe I put a red color. Oh, sorry. Okay, why this one red? Sorry, Okay, let me use green first, this one. Okay, the distance, this one still green. Okay. And then the distance, km, I use red color. Oh, okay. So the distance km, the one, the red color. Okay, so if you use the Pythagoras theorem, okay, let me write here. Oops. So okay lah, I will use the black color lah. We use the black color, no problem. Don't know why it changed. Okay, so km equal to, okay, so this one we count the box. We start with the vertical distance, the horizontal distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 square plus, and then the vertical 1, 2, 3, 4 also. Okay, so 4 square, and then I put this one, square root. Okay, and then we find inside the square root first. So where is the calculator? Okay, 4 square plus 4 square equal 32. Okay, so this is 32, but don't forget square root. And this is equal to square root of 32. Answer. Decimal place 5.66. Okay, 5.66. So this is the answer for km. Okay, next. Do it here. Okay, ML. Okay, so ML. Maybe I draw also this one. Okay, so use straight line, ML. So I draw the vertical distance first. Okay, until here. Okay, and then also straight line. Okay, so we use, oops. again. Okay. Okay, now straight line again. Okay, change to black. Okay. So you want to find ML. Okay, so we count the box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 square plus 1, 2, 3. 3 square. Okay, so 5 square plus 3 square. 5 square plus 3 square. 34. Okay, 34. Don't forget the square root. And the answer, square root of the 34, square root of the answer, 5.83. 5.83. Okay. Next, we go to the, I think C, question C. Okay, this one I erase first. I think I erase everything. Yeah, I erase everything. Okay, so we go back to the textbook. Copy again, this one. Okay. Now we go to question C. Question C. Okay, question C, we want to find Pn. Pn. Okay, so for question A and B, I use Pythagoras theorem. For question C and D, I want to use the formula. Okay, the formula. So to use the formula, we need to know the coordinate. And we need to know the coordinate. So P. P, this one, the coordinate. Okay, let me write here. So the coordinate for X, X we look on here. The X here is -3. Okay, and Y coordinate, we look on the Y axis, -4. This is the coordinate. Okay, and then for N, point N here, this is X coordinate is 2. 2, and then Y coordinate, we look on the Y axis, 1. So the coordinate is 2, 1. Okay, and then we need to determine x1 and y1, x2, y2. So I write here, this is x, y, x, y. So it's up to us. If you want to use formula, doesn't matter which one is x1, x2, no problem. Okay, so I want to put this one as x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, like that. Okay, so now we use the information to the formula. The formula is like this. Let me write the formula first. X2, oh, nice. Again, x2, okay, minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and don't forget the square root. Okay, equal to square root. Okay, so x2, which one is x2? This is x2. X2 is 2. So we write here 2 minus x1 here. X1 on point P, on point P, x1 is -3. So -3, and we put bracket here. So we put another bracket, square, don't forget, plus y2, which is, okay, this is y2, y2 is on point N, 1. Okay, minus y1. y1 here is -4. Okay, and then we close the bracket. Square, don't forget square root. Okay, like that. Okay, now we find the answer. Okay, maybe I use the calculator here. So 2 minus negative 3. Actually, 2 minus negative 3 equal to 2 plus 3. It should be 5. 5. Yeah, okay. So this is 5. Don't forget to write square. Plus 1 minus negative 4. So actually equal to 1 plus 4. So 1 minus negative 4. 5. Okay. Square. And then square root here. So now 5 square plus 5 square. Okay, 5 square plus 5 square equal to 50. And last, find the square root of 50. Okay, the answer is 7.07. 7.07. If you want to write the unit, you can write here as units. Okay, so the answer for question 5C is 7.07 units. Okay, let me check the Google Meet first. Okay, someone want to join? For those who just joined, welcome to the class. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now we go to question D. Question D. Question D is KQ. So KQ. Okay, no problem. Let me erase this one first. The answer. Okay. So now question D. Question D, we want to find KQ. Okay. KQ. So we need to know the coordinate for K and also Q. Okay. So I want to use purple this time. Okay. For K, the coordinate X for K is this one. Negative 3. And Y, of course, we look on the y-axis, 8. Okay. For Q, the coordinate X is this one, 3. And Y is this one, negative 3. And then we need to write X1, Y1, X2, Y2. It's up to us which one, it doesn't matter. Okay, maybe I put this one as X1, Y1. This is XY, so this is X2, Y2. Oh, not good. Okay. So now we use the formula. Okay, formula X2 minus X1 square Y2 minus Y1 square. Square root everything. Point N, do not look. Point P, do not look. Okay, for KQ, X2, where is X2? This is X2. Okay, so X2 is negative 3 minus X1, X1 is here. 3. Close bracket, square. Plus Y2. Y2 is here. 8 minus Y1 is here. Negative 3. Put bracket here. Square. Change this one. Okay. And don't forget square root. Okay. Now, negative 3 minus negative 3. Okay, I know the answer is negative 6. I just want to show you. Negative 3 minus 3. Negative 6. Okay, so no problem if the answer here is negative. No problem. Okay. Plus 8 minus negative 3 is actually equal to 8 plus 3. This one should be 11. Okay. Next, negative 6 square. Negative 36. 6 times 6 is 36. So this one, Is it correct or not? Negative 36. Eh? So actually this is a common mistake. This is common mistake in exam. Yeah, thank you. You have Akizafran. This is wrong. Negative number. Yeah, thank you, Nicholas. Negative number, if you square, become a positive. So this is wrong. Let me show you by calculator. Okay, Chu Johnson said 36. Thank you. So I show you calculator. If you do like this, negative 6 square, you will get answer negative 36. But this is wrong. Why? Because negative number, you should put bracket for negative number. So it become a positive. Negative 6 square, positive. So this one, it should be 30. Oh, sorry, red color. Okay, 36. Plus 11 square is 1 to 1. 11 times 11. Okay. And then we find the answer. 36 plus 1 to 1. Okay, 157. Don't forget square root. And final answer, square root of the answer is 12.53. 12.53. Okay, 12.53. Okay, so actually, in the exam, you can skip from this one straight to answer. Can, no problem. Actually, this line is not very important. Not very important. Okay, you can skip actually. In the lesson, I just want to explain lah. Okay, so now we finish question 5. Let's go to question number 6. Okay, this is about problem solving. Question number 6. Okay, let me copy first. Okay, question number 6. Determine the distance of the points KL. Given K to 2 and L is on the x-axis with a distance of 7 units to the right from the y-axis. Cikgu, ini semua nak salin? Tak, Lu Sunfeng tak perlu. Salin yang latihan dalam Google Classroom saja. Only copy the Google Classroom exercise only. Okay. This one only. Okay. Okay. So I think maybe I give you some visual. I give you some picture, diagram. Cikgu lukis sikit so that you can imagine, you can get the picture. So I put in here. We want point K22. K22. So where is point 22? Let me put a point. This is point 22. Okay. Can I change the label or not? Name. Okay, I can change. Okay. Okay. So I change to K already. So this is point K22. What else? And then it says here L is on the x-axis, meaning point L is along this line. Let me draw a straight line. Where is straight line? Is there a straight line or not? Wait, let me check. Is there a straight line or not? This is parallel line, perpendicular line, or line. Okay. So I just put any point on the x-axis. Okay. So it says here, L is on the x-axis, meaning L is along this one, along this line. Okay. Along this one, from point A to B, but we don't know where. Okay, and then what it says here is on the x-axis with a distance of 7 units to the right from the y-axis. So L, distance 7 units to the right from the y-axis. 7 units. This is y-axis. This is y-axis. 7 unit distance from y, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Meaning this is the point. This is the point. Okay. And I want to change the label. Can I change the label? Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. So I want to change to L. Okay. This one I can erase. Where is eraser? Where is eraser? I think I can erase this one. Delete. Okay. So this is K, this is L. Again, K is 2, 2. L is 7 units. 7 units from the y-axis. And point L is on the x-axis. L ni atas paksi X, 7 units from y-axis. 7 unit dari jauh dia daripada y. Okay, so this is L. This is the diagram. Okay, so the question asks you to find the distance between K to L. Find the distance. Okay, so I think I can measure the distance here. Distance. Okay, from K to L. So the distance here is 5.39. From this software, I know the distance is 5.39. But how we want to find the answer? We can do two things. We can use formula or we can use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem meaning the horizontal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 2. 5. Okay. However, this one. Okay. So first, we write the information. Okay. Given here is K2, 2. Okay. And then L. Remember, L have two coordinates, X and Y. X and Y. But it says here, L is on the x-axis. That is the first information actually. When it says L is on the x-axis, meaning coordinate Y is 0. That is the first information. Right here, L is on the x-axis, meaning Y is. Always remember that. If it says on the y-axis, meaning x equal to 0. Vice versa, terbalik. Understand? Okay. And then it says here, with a distance of 7 units to the right from, 7 units to the right from the from the y-axis, meaning the x coordinate is 7. Okay. To the right, 7. So, how you want to solve? You will use formula. We use formula, the formula KL equal to, so I just write the number, 2 minus 7 plus, 7, 2, and then, 2 minus 7, right? Okay, and then Y, 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 square, and don't forget square root. Okay, so now you find the answer. Okay, 2 minus 7 is negative 5. 2 minus 0, of course, 2. Okay, now use calculator. Okay, bracket negative 5 square plus 2 square, 29. Okay, and square root of 29 is 5.39. 5.39 units. Okay, let's check the software. 5.39, is it same? This one, 5.39, same. 5.39. Okay. So next, question number 6 finished already. Now we go to question number 7. I hope you understand. Okay, question 7. Okay, number 7. Determine the distance of AB. So we want to find AB. If each of them is located on the y-axis, both on y-axis, with a distance of 5 units upwards and 2 units downwards from the x-axis. Okay. So like this. We write the information here. Okay, we write the information. We have 2 points. We have A, we have B. Okay, that is the information. We have A and B. So coordinate A and coordinate B, write like this. Okay, and then it says here, each of them, meaning both of them, located on the y-axis. When it says y-axis, meaning x equal to 0. So we can write here the x coordinate for A and B, both of them. This is 0, this is 0, because both points on y-axis. On y-axis, the value of x equal to 0. Okay. And then it says here, we have a distance of 5 units, 5 units upwards from x-axis. Atas x-axis, 5 units, meaning the coordinate for y, this is 5. Okay. And 2 units downwards, that one for point B. Point B says here, 2 units downwards from the x-axis. X-axis, 2 unit di bawah, 2 unit downwards. Meaning this is negative 2, not 2, but negative 2. I hope you understand. Okay. If you are using this one, okay. So it says here, on y-axis, 5 unit upwards from x-axis. 5 unit upward is this one. So this is the point, 5 unit upwards from x-axis on y-axis. Okay, and then it says here, 2 unit downwards, 2 unit downward from x-axis. So 2 unit, 1, 2. This one. Okay, so actually, if we draw the diagram, it's very easy to calculate the distance. The distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very easy. The distance actually is 7. 7. But how you want to show in the calculation? By calculation, we can write like this. We can write AB. Okay, equal to, because 0 and 0, this one, same. Actually, we can write as 5. Remember, if I said to you, y2 minus y1. Okay, so you can write as 5 minus negative 2 equal to 7. You can write like this. Yeah, this is true. This is correct. Okay, but how you want to show, you want to prove by using formula? We still can use the formula, no problem. And so I want to show you how you want to use the formula. So from formula, x 0 is minus 0. Both of them is 0 for x-axis. Okay. Plus y2 minus y1. We can write negative 2 minus 5 or 5 minus negative 2. No problem. Same thing. But I want to write 5 minus negative 2. Okay. So 0 minus 0 is 0 square. Plus 5 minus negative 2 is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. So 0 square is 0, 7 square is 49. 7 times 7, 49. So square root of 49, the answer is 7. 7 units. This is by calculation and this is by a picture. A to B. This is 5, this is 2, 7. Very easy actually. Okay. Next, we go to question 8. Okay, question 8. Calculate the distance between the points KL if L is located on the origin. Origin meaning 0, 0. So let me write here first, the first information. Okay, first information. L is located on the origin. So we can write here L is 0, 0. This is origin. Origin. 0, 0 means origin. Okay. And K is 3 units to the left of the y-axis. and 5 unit upwards from the x-axis. What does it mean? K units to the left of y-axis, 5 unit upwards from the x-axis. Maybe we can draw. Yeah, I use this one. Okay, I use this one. Can I erase everything? Okay. Stop. Start with L. L is origin. So L is origin. So this is L. And this is L. I change this one to L first. Okay, name L. So this is L. Oh, sorry. Okay. And then next it says A is 3 units to the left of y-axis. 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3. 3 units to the left of y-axis. And then 5 units upwards from the x-axis. 5 units upwards. 1, 2, 3, and then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meaning this is the point. Okay. Okay. Again, point K, 3 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 5 units upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I want to change the label to K. Okay. So what is the length? Let's try and measure first. The distance KL. The answer is 5.83. So how you want to solve? So K. By using the diagram, what is the coordinate? The coordinate x here is negative 3. Negative 3. Okay. And y coordinate is 5. Actually, you can see here, this one. K is negative 3, 5. Negative 3, 5. Okay. So we have the coordinate for K and L. So now you want to find the distance KL equal to, let me write like this, negative 3 minus 0. Or you can write 0 minus negative 3. Also can, no problem. Plus 5 minus 0 square. So negative 3 minus 0 is still negative 3 square plus 5 square. Okay. So negative 3 square is negative 3 times negative 3 become positive 9. Plus 5 square is 25. So maybe you get the answer. Calculator. Okay. So 9 plus 25 first. This is equal to 34. So square root of 34. Square root of 34, the answer is 5.83. 2 decimal places only, 5.83 units. 5.83. Same with this one, 5.83. Okay, I hope you can see. Next, we go to question number 9. We have 12 questions, 9, 10, 11, and 12. However, 10 we have A, B, C, D. 11 and 12 quite long. Okay, so we go to question 9 first. 9, where is question 9? Okay, this is question 9. Let me copy first. Copy this one. Okay. And then copy the okay. So question number 9, determine the values of A and B based on the information in the diagram below. You want to find A and B. Actually, this is not too difficult. Okay. So, maybe I use this one. Okay. So we see here 5, 5. Meaning this is 5. And this is 5. The x coordinate is 5. So given the length here is 3, this one, 3 units. The horizontal line is 3 units. So what is A? So actually we know A is, of course, 2. 2 plus 3 is 5, correct or not? So how you want to write? We can write like this. We can write A equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. That's all. This is the answer for A. A equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. That one very easy. Simple. Okay. Lin Jian Yuan time. Why time? 2:59. Okay, next, we want to find B. We want to find B. Okay. So maybe I ask Jian Yuan. Jian Yuan, what is the value of y coordinate here? That one. What is the value of y coordinate over there? Jian Yuan. What do you think? I heard him only. I have no idea. It's okay. I try to call someone else. Balkish, ada Balkish. Balkish, what is the value for y axis, that one? Y coordinate?
I think only 2.
Betul, very good. Okay. Your thinking is correct. So, this one, this is y, therefore, this is 2. Okay, and then this one, given here is 5. How do I know this one? From the diagram, 5. So, what is B? What is B? Okay, from this diagram, I think you know already what is the value of B. Okay, let me ask, who I want to ask? Snowy here or not Snowy? Snowy, yes, Snowy. What is B? What do you think? Hi, Snowy. Aki Zafran, 7. I asked Snowy. Snowy, no answer? Cikgu ada nampak nama ni tadi. Sekejap. Kasrina Azra. Kasrina Azra. Berapa nilai B, Kasrina? Senyap je ni, tak ada jawapan ni. Anyone? So, okay lah, let me proceed. Tanya tak jawab ni. Okay, so B, Nicholas, thank you Nicholas, 7. Yeah, B is 7. Very easy actually. B equal to 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Or you can write 5 plus 2, same thing, no problem. And so question number 9 is easy actually. So A equal to 2 and B equal to 7. It's simple only. This is simple, not too difficult. No need to use any formula actually. Next, we go to question number 10. 10 we have A, B, C, D. Textbook. Oh, too many. Okay, so number 10. Okay. Number 10, the vertical distance of point V is 4 units to the north. North. Do you know what is north? North is, okay, north is blue. North is upwards. Upward. This is north. North is upwards. Ke atas. Okay. of point W. So determine the coordinates of W. If the coordinates of V are, okay, so let us start with question A. Question A. So given here, if the coordinates of V, are 4, -3. So this is coordinate of V. We want to find vertical distance. The vertical one is okay. Determine the coordinates of W if the coordinates of V are. Okay, let me check first. Okay, how? Okay, so we have a point. Let me draw here. Okay, we have a point, and this is 4, -3, and this is point V. Okay, it says here vertical distance. Vertical meaning this is vertical. This is vertical. If like this is horizontal. You need to know what is vertical, what is horizontal. Okay. So vertical meaning upwards. Okay. So the vertical distance point V is 4 units, meaning going up 4 units, and this is point the vertical distance of point V is 4 units of point W. Determine the coordinates of W. Okay, meaning, let me erase this one first. Okay. So this is W. North is this one, north, and this is V. So given the coordinate of V is 4, -3. If I'm not mistaken, like this. Why got negative? Oh yeah, correct, negative. Okay, so what is the coordinate of W? Like this. Okay. So maybe I can draw here so that you get a picture. Okay, erase everything first. So first I want to draw point V, 4, -3. 4, -3 down here. Okay, point 4, -3. Okay, so this is point. Okay, point what? Point V. Okay, V. Okay. So this is point V. Where is W? W down here. W is 4 units. 4 units the vertical distance. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is point W. Let me change to W. Okay. Small. Okay. So from this diagram, we know the coordinate for W is 4, -7. 4, -7. So how you want to, let me double check the answer first. Wait, I thought the answer is 4, -1. Let me read the question again. The vertical distance of point V, 4 units. The units of W of V for -3. Okay, I think my understanding is correct. But why answer in textbook wrong? Okay, maybe you can give your opinion. Ada pendapat? So you can see here, my answer, this one should get W is 4, -7. But in textbook, it says here 4, 1. Meaning textbook do like this. Textbook do like this. Okay. Let me draw first. Textbook do like this. V W. Like this. Okay, textbook do like this one, and this one textbook. Okay. If I'm wrong, let me read again. The vertical distance. Panjang vertical. Point V is 4 units to the north of point W. Oh, okay. I think this is wrong. Okay, again, like this. The vertical distance. This is the vertical distance. 4 units to the north. Okay, so from V to the north of point W. So this is 4 units. Like this. So determine the coordinates of W if the coordinates of V are 4, -3. Like this. So this one is wrong. Let me erase this one first so that you didn't confuse. Okay. Erase first. Oh, I can use this one. Forget. Okay. Erase. So this is the diagram. This is the correct diagram. Let me erase this one. So again, let me read this one. The vertical distance of point V. This is point V. The vertical distance is this one. 4 units. 4 units. To the north of point W. To the north of point W. Okay. So this is the diagram. 4, -3. So we want to find the coordinate of W. Okay. Actually like this. So this is wrong. This one should be W. And this one should be, wait. Okay. Setting. 3. Okay. And this one, this is wrong. I think I erased everything first. Okay. So V 4 -3. V 4 -3. So 4 -3 is here. Okay. So here we sketch already. W is 4 units upwards. 4 units upward. Okay. So 4 units upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Okay. So let me erase again. This one should be. This one should be V. Okay. And then this one should be W. Okay, like this. So this is 4 -3 and then 4 units upwards to the north of point W. 4 units to the north point W. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. If you notice here, the coordinate of X is same, 4, 4. Meaning we can write here, W, the coordinate for X is same, didn't change. 4 also. So we just want to find the coordinates for Y coordinate here, Y coordinate for point W. Okay, so from this one, we can know it is 1. But how you want to write the answer? How you want to write the answer? We can do like this. Okay, so W equal to 4, because it doesn't change. X coordinate didn't change. -3. -3 is from point V. Okay, because it's 4 units upwards, so we plus 4. And W equal to -4. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, the answer is W -4, 1. Like this. Okay. So let me erase this one because I want to do for question B. Okay. Oops. Question, what happened? Wait, delete. Okay. Okay, now we go to question B. Okay, question B, given the coordinate of V is 2, -5. 2, -5. Okay, so you want to find W. Same like question A, to find W, it says 4 unit upwards. 4 unit upward, meaning X coordinate is same 2. And then to find the Y coordinate, -5. 4 unit upwards, meaning plus 4. So it become 2, 1. Like this. Okay. Two -5, 2 -5 is here. Okay, so 4 unit upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is unit 4 unit upwards. The coordinate is 2, -1. Can see here 2, -1. Same. 2, -1. Okay. Next, we go to question C. Okay, question C. Given V is 5, -2. Okay, so W equal to 4 unit upwards, meaning X coordinate remains same. And then -2 plus 4, because 4 unit upwards. So the answer is 5, 2. Okay, next, question D. Okay, given V is 0, -4. So to find W, 0 same, doesn't change. So here -4 plus 4. So W equal to 0. -4 plus 4 is 0. Same origin. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 10. Okay, we have 2 more questions. Question 11 and question 12. 2 more. I think maybe we go to question 11 only lah. One more question. Okay, I leave question number 12. Maybe in the Google form. Okay. So question 11. Okay, this one. Okay. So based on the diagram, calculate the perimeter for A, B, C, D. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to find the distance for A, B. Maybe I write the number. Okay. So we need to find A, B first. A, B, and then B, C, and then C, D, and then D, A or A, D. So we need to find 4 distance. After that, we need to find the total for everything. Okay. So this is a lot of work. We'll try one by one. We start with point A, B. Distance of AB. Okay, I want to use the formula. Okay, I want to use the formula. So A, this one. A, if you see here, this is 1 and Y is 3. So I write here 1 minus, okay, AB, this one. Let me circle first. A and B. Okay, so A, the X coordinate is 1. B, the X coordinate is 4. This one, 4. Okay, so 1 minus 4 square plus Y coordinate. Y for point A is 3. Minus point B. Point B, the Y coordinate is 7. square. Okay. So now you want to find the answer. I want to write shorter because we need to find 4 distance. So I do like this line in bracket 1 minus 4 square. Oh, sorry. Square. Okay. Plus 3 minus 7 square. Okay. So this is square root of 25. And square root of 25 equal to 5. Oh yeah, of course 5. Okay, 5. Okay, now we get AB. Next, we want to find BC. BC. Okay. So BC, I start with point B lah. Point B, the X value is 4. And then C, the X value is 6 square. Then plus with Y coordinate for BC. B, the Y coordinate is this one, 7. Minus point C. Point C, the Y coordinate to the left here, 3 square. Okay. And this is equal to, so calculator, bracket 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6, close bracket, square, plus 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4, right? Then square. And this is equal to 20. Square root of 20. Square root of 20. 4.47. 4.47. Okay, next. Okay, next, maybe green. Purple lah. I want just purple. Okay, next we want to find CD. CD is this one, CD. Okay. So CX, we start with X. 6. 6 minus CD. D is here. D, X is 3, Square plus Y. Y for C is Y 3, Oh, nice. 3. Okay. CD. D, the Y coordinate is 1. Square. Don't forget square root for everything. Okay. Use calculator. Bracket 6 minus 3 square plus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2, Square. 13. And square root of 13 square root of 13, 3.61, 3.61, correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, and then DA. Okay. DA, this one, DA. Okay, so D, the X coordinate, very easy, 3. Minus A. A, the X coordinate, X coordinate here, 1. Square plus DA, D, the Y coordinate is this one, 1. Minus A. A, Y coordinate is 3. square. Okay, so use calculator. 3 minus 1 square plus 1 minus 3. Okay, 8 Don't forget we still have square root. So square root of 8 2.83. 2.83. Okay, so we have find distance AB, BC, CD, D8. Okay, so our last solution, our last step, we should find the perimeter. Okay, brown maybe. So we need to find perimeter. So how to find the perimeter? We just add all the number. 5 plus BC 4.47 plus CD 3.61 and plus DA 2.83. And the final answer 5 plus 4.47 plus 3.61 plus 2.83, and the answer is 15.91. 15.91 units. Okay, so this is the answer for question 11. Okay, so far, do you have any question? Ada soalan nak tanya? We still have one more question, number 12, but I think we can stop here until question 11. I think no question, Okay, so let me stop the recording first. Okay, stop recording,